Hello sisters, I'm Jara. So I did this wonderful bridal transformation for my client, from this to this. So what exactly is the trick to drawing a good and straight eyeliner? I have a few students when I teach makeup, I do notice something that they usually do not think to rest their hand when they draw their eye makeup. Even anything that needs really stable hands for smaller details. So this is one thing I want to highlight and talk about in this video. What you can do to make sure that your hands are stable whenever you draw your eyes or your eyebrows. So let's start with using an eyeliner pencil. And make sure it's sharpened. Mine is a little bit blunt, but if you need a little bit more detail and precision, please sharpen your pencil. You can see that I have drawn my eyeliner a little bit. I'm going to wipe it off on one side and then I'll show you how to draw a stable, straight eyeliner on your eyelids. Okay, so I'm back. How do you really draw an eyeliner? I decided to use a green color liner pencil and I kind of sharpen it a little bit. You don't need to really fully sharpen it into a very sharp tip because be careful, you don't want to like poke your eye. If it becomes too sharp, it's not going to be comfortable when you draw it on anyway. So you can leave it a little bit blunt at the tip, and what you can do is right hand if you are right-hander and left hand if you are left-hander, rest the little finger or the edge of your palm just on your cheek, okay? So what I do is I keep one eye open and one eye closed. Maybe not all of you can do that, but I think you need a little bit of practice. And so you can see that the lash line is just above your eyelash. This is what we call the lash line. So what I need you to do is rest your finger or hand on your face and just draw a line that follows the length of the natural lash. So how thick your eyeliner is going to be doesn't really matter, because I think for beginners, when you start to draw, it's not going to be even. But take the first step to practice it. As you go along, you will definitely get better. So if you, as a general guideline, if you really want a natural finish, just line your eyes as closely as you can, nearest to your lash line as possible. So this as a reference, the end of your eye and the start of your eye. So you try to draw as close as you can and then all the way to the end. And then you stop here. Don't try to flick it, don't try to pull it downwards, just stop at where your natural eye line ends. That's it. Practice for a few times every day. And it's the same for the other eye. Right-hander, same hand, press it on your cheek and do the same. Keep one eye closed, the eye that you're drawing, one eye open, and draw it as closely to your lash line as possible and stop where it naturally ends. And so I hope the video was a useful one, and let me know how's your progress, and I'll see you in the next one.